What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I thought I'd shoot out a quick video on how you cut sheetrock when you're putting up new sheetrock walls, how you find the outlet boxes, how you measure and cut the outlet boxes. A lot of times some people will measure, from the windowsill down, from left to right, get a measurement, put it down on the sheetrock, cut it, and then put the sheetrock up against the wall. The way I do it on new construction is wherever I put a junction box or an outlet box, like this guy here, the code is usually 13 inches from the bottom of the box up to 16 inches. I always put mine at 13. So I know at 15 inches I'm in the center of the box here, okay? So remember, 15 inches, center of the box. What I do is, if you see the mark here, and you see the stud on this side, I put a line here, and I mark an X on the right-hand side, so I know the right-hand side is where my box is, and I mark a 15. So what you do is you're going to take your tape measure, when the sheetrock is up here and it's all covered, everything's covered, you're going to go 15 inches up, straight up from that line, a little bit to the right, just line it up, and you're going to plunge cut in, you're going to catch the box with your bit, you're going to pop out on the outside of the box, and you're going to go counterclockwise with your bit, roto zip or whatever you use, okay? If you go clockwise, it'll tend to skip out on you and you'll damage the sheetrock. Go counterclockwise on a cutout of a box, but if you're going to cut out a doorway, you're going to go clockwise, okay? But the box is always counterclockwise, all right? Make sure you tuck your wire inside the box, all right, all the way in. You want to get it in there so the bit doesn't damage any of the wire, all right? So that's it. That's how you measure and cut sheetrock. If you have a box that you're going to mount for a TV, TVs are usually 48 inches from the ground up, bottom of the plate, okay? So what you want to do is you want to mark your line the same thing on the ground. A little X to the right, and you're going to put 50 for 50 inch. So it's 2 inches, then you'll be on center. And that's it. And if you have one with a wall with a plug at the bottom for some reason, and one at the top, you just mark your first marking at 15 inch, then put a line, and then your second marking at 50 inch. And you'll know you'll have two in the same line here. All right, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. When I start the sheetrock, I'll show you how I actually cut these out, and I'll show you how we do a little taping and sanding, all right? Again, I want to thank you for watching, and that's the quick, easy way to measure out an electrical box for sheetrock. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video, and I appreciate all the new subscribers, and we will catch you on the next one. That's a promise. Yo, Sonny! Sonny? Yo, Sonny.
Yeah, Sonny.
Catch you on the next one, right?